Car firms love a big birthday because it's a chance to create a special edition and drum up some more sales. Well, this year is actually 25 years of the BMW Mini. This is an early 2001 Y-reg with the OBL number plates. If you know what that means, that's a very special little car. So this car over here is the 2026 Mini. Now I'm fully expecting a special edition later this year, maybe even an Oxford edition to celebrate that anniversary. While we're here, we're just going to have a quick factory tour and maybe meet the latest employee, Fido the dog. Now Oxford has built 4.7 million modern Minis so far and is closing fast on the classic Mini total of 5.3 million. They make one here every 78 seconds, about 800 a day. So that 5.3 million total, they're going to reach that within the next 5 years. Famous owners include Olivia Dean and Madonna, and Clarkson crowned the 2020 Mini GP his People's Car of the Year. He said, "It's far too powerful, far too loud, but one of the best cars I've driven all year." 100%. The paint shop is the size of 16 football pitches and has almost 9 miles of conveyor tracks. And get this, they use ostrich feathers, real ostrich feathers, during the painting process to remove dust and electrostatic charge. There's even an ostrich farm downstairs in the car park. Now here's Fido the robot dog. Fido is short for Facilities Inspection Dog Oxford. Clever, but I'd have gone for Snoop Dog or Rover. You either get that gag or you don't. Fido is fitted with a LiDAR scanner and thermal imaging camera and all sorts of tech to monitor machinery for air leaks and vibrations and potential overload so that the maintenance teams can intervene before anything goes wrong. You can even sit, roll onto his side, spin around like a good boy, even climb stairs. But he's a working dog really, and a key part of the team here. As well as Fido, Oxford has hundreds of robots in the body shop fixing the cars framed together, and automated guide vehicles, they call them AGVs, delivering interior parts around the assembly hall. Another fact for you, you could fill Wembley 221 times with all the car seats that Oxford workers have fitted in Minis over the past 25 years, close to 20 million. Why not come and have a look for yourself, because the popular plant tours, they last around about 100 minutes or so, cost 23 quid. They've won 2 Visit England awards. Then you'll see the precision and the craftsmanship baked into every single Mini. Happy birthday, modern Mini. Happy birthday.